Doing some baked chicken using legs and thighs. Pepper Palace coffee rub. I received this from my sister and brother-in-law on a trip while they was in Nowlands or New Orleans. Go ahead and coat that well. Get that nice and coated. Now make sure you got that oven preheating. I'm starting it off at 375, but eventually I'll crank it down a little. Get that nice and coated. Now it's a rub, so you want to make sure you rub it in. You don't want to just sprinkle it on and don't rub it in. Go ahead and add some olive oil to the pan. Now with the thighs, I'm going to put that skin side down first. Like I said, the oven is preheating at 375. Get that all nice and coated, that olive oil all over that. You want to make sure it's not touching. Allow air to get in there. Circulate. Now we're going to put it in the oven, 375. Let that cook at 375 for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. After that, go ahead and flip them over. Now I brought it down to 360, 365. And I let that cook for another additional 35 minutes. 35 minutes later in the oven, and voila, baked chicken. Seasoning provided by my sister and brother-in-law. Thank y'all for watching. And it was delicious, by the way.